Hello, welcome back. My name is Trevor Wooten, and I'm glad you all stopped by. I wanted to show you my new app that I made in Python. It's called Harvest Note, and it is basically a note taking app, kind of a replacement of Notepad in a way, an alternative, just to add a little flair to it. So this is the landing page, and you can always scroll down to see the about and then also do the demo. So this is the landing page you want to go to, and this is the site here. I'm gonna provide a link to make it easier, but also it's on Windows only, so we're gonna start there. And I did have it on Linux, but I had ran into a couple problems, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna update that later and just give you guys this information with just with Windows for now, and in the future update it to be compatible with Linux and even Mac. So, and also you can donate here, so that's something you can do. You can always press donate, and if you want to, be greatly appreciated. But if not, that's okay. So you press Windows, and this is something that's gonna your computer's not gonna trust it because it's something like that's kind of created outside of what it's normally used to. So you might get some pushback saying that, oh, it won't download. So just click Windows. It's gonna come up. You can save it any way you want to. So go to save, and then it's going to say right here it's exactly suspicious download blocked. Just click on that and then say download suspicious file. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, it's not a virus or anything like that you have to worry about. So you press download, and then you're going to go, and it should be on your desktop. So what you'll see wherever that you put it on your files, anything, it's going to come up right here. So this is my application right here, Harvest Note, and it's basically a Python note taking app. So when you click on it, it's going to still not trust it, but trust me though, it is okay. You can use it safely on your app, on your device. So you'll double click it. It's gonna might come up and say, oh, I don't want to run this. Yeah, I got it on my screen here. So it's gonna come up with something like this. Your Windows protection, it doesn't trust it. That's okay. Just go to more info and press run anyway. Once that's up, once you click that, the application will pop up. And this is my application. So basically you can type, say, hello world, and it's going to have a counter. So you have a word counter. It's going to count the words, or you can have a character counter. If you press this button over here, it'll count the characters, and you see that it changed in the bottom left corner. So you have that. And the reason this is called Harvest Note is because I wanted to have like an orange theme going, and like midway into developing it, and I was like, you know what? I don't think everybody's going to want orange. So I added that to get people that just wanted personalization. Have a little color wheel. So if you press the style button, you can pick whatever color you want and see what you like to your heart's content. I guess we'll go with, my wife likes purple, so we'll do purple. And so you have purple. So that's something that you can do. And you can also make the screen bigger if you want to type like that. And the main thing is just like a note take, like Notepad or anything else along that line. You can press the save button. When you press save, you'll text what you want the document here, and it'll be a txt file. So you'll say, I guess, what to do, hello world, just for this demonstration. So it's going to save that on your computer. I'm gonna bring that over, so you'll see that right there. And if I just type something random, like I'll say goodbye world, goodbye world. If I press open, I go to the open button, and I go back to the previously saved document that we just made and open that. It'll come right back up. So you can just save your thoughts, write down your thoughts, write down code, write down things that you feel that you want to write down. And this can just be an alternative for you to have some little personalization. In the future, I'll update this more and just make it more intuitive and more functional. But this is just a good project. I really enjoy making in Python, 100% Python. And I hope you all enjoy it too. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you all for staying and watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.